Opal Stones are a creation of my own, inspired by my love of rocks, especially the ones full of hidden flash and color such as labradorite, moonstone, and you guessed it, opal. Each opal stone is an amalgamation of fluid artwork techniques and many layers of resin built on top of a ceramic tile. I use many materials, paints and pigments, glitter, and other shiny things that make my magpie heart sing with joy. Yeah, you hear it. Each one is totally unique and changes with the lighting and viewing angle. There's a lot of depth and mystery to explore in each one. Creating one of these works takes many, many hours spread over weeks as each layer is built and cured, then sanded and polished. There are no fewer than 10 layers on each stone. The resin I use to create these is heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so it can be safely used as the world's prettiest and heaviest trivet when not on display. Cozumel is available for sale on my website, www.witchofwtf.com, and at 611 Crystals and Sundry in La Crosse, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching.